Hello people, welcome back to another video on Adopt Me. And today I will be showing you how to level up your pet really fast. So I'm going to become a parent because it's not money we're going after. No thanks, close. Chance to get old items before they're gone. Explosion, glider, heart, hoverboard. Wow. Okay. I'm going to get out my neon dog. So this guy, I'm going to be leveling up to re-adult, whatever it's called. So I'm pretty sure the best place that you want to be for it is at your home. So you might want to do a few changes to your home. You might want to go into edit home when there's nothing, when you start and there might be nothing, like right now. Make everything more easy to access, like this. And you also want food, but you want to get it easily. Sometimes there might be the donuts. Yeah, that's what you want. Do I need a bench? Surely. Oh yeah, I can do that. Okay. And a washer. Okay, so I'm set. Got everything I really do need. So put my dog to sleep. Now they want to go camping, but since that's too far, actually, see, sometimes it would be worth doing that, and I think right now is worth doing it. So I'm going to go over to the winter market, get out my Ice Pick grappling hook equipped, and go. Oh, it's a bit laggy. Which way do I need to go? I need to go. Where am I? Why is she over here? Yeah, alright. I think I know where I am. Okay, so I'm here now, and I'm going to get out my pet because it didn't seem to follow me. There we go. So he's now camping, and also a good thing. No. Oh, I like these updates. Feed. We can also stock up on thousands of these. And yeah. Okay. Now we just wait, and he's nearly leveled up already. See, it takes absolutely no time at all. I'm guessing you could get up to adult in about a day. You could get him into an adult. Oh, he's sick. Actually, no, he's not. Yeah, he needs a shower. See, this is why staying at home is probably the best idea. Oh, hit the microphone. Twinkle. Alright, he's already leveled up. Now I need to get out my vehicle, clown car, and take my doggy with me. I am going to go. Where is it? There's no teleporting to house, is there? Oh, go across here. Let's go to the playground. Okay. I mean, while we're at it, we could, and we probably should. If there's things like this, and there's like an easy way to somewhere, then it's definitely worth it. Like, we can do the shower whenever, but this, I'm pretty sure, goes away after a bit of time. Oh, where are you going? Hello? Oh no. Where's my... There used to be a tree house in one of these trees, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Away. But if you are after money, then it's usually a good thing to do, being a child, but right now, not really after the money, just after leveling up the child. Oh, I knew he was going to get sick at some point. That was inevitable. Oh well, so now we have to go over to the hospital. We don't want to go straight home yet, because after the hospital then we will. Because I'm pretty sure not more than, I think my little guy picked up my gingerbread that I haven't used. But, right, over here. Then this is the last time you actually ever have to go to the hospital. So you go over here and you spam click E for this time that you're playing. Because when you log back in, all of the apples disappear. And just keep on doing this. And now you have loads of apples in your inventory. 15 apples. So I've got that all prepared. So now we can go back. Oh yeah, and I need to feed you one. Feed. Apple. Okay. Follow me after you're done eating that apple. Yep. He is now happy. That's cool. Didn't know you could dress these things up. Actually, I think I did at some point. Pets. Maybe. Okay. Why am I walking? I need my triple strollers. Yes. Okay, I do not know which one was my house. Where's mine? That's nice. No, tree. And it's pink? Oh wow, didn't know that. Okay, let's go in. And make sure you drink. Oh right, you want a shower. Doggy, get in there. Now we can just chill out in the house. Sit down. Oh, we're nearly the next level. And yeah, so keep on doing this. This was just a little short video, since you guys really do like seeing me show you how to level up your pets. So I guess this is how. Also, if we reach 300 subscribers and this video gets 5,000 views, somebody might get a rare panda, full-grown fly and ride. So be on the lookout. If you want a Yeti as well, I don't know when I got a Yeti, but apparently I did get one. Yeah, those will be up if this video gets 5,000 views. And also, let's make it 30 likes. 30 likes, 5,000 views, and you just put your name in the comments down below and I'll pick one of you. But yeah, now for a little time, I'll just be leveling up my little doggy. This, fact, this is my first dog. and I turned him into a neon with another three other different dogs. So now he is neon, and I'm going to make him a mega neon. How do I drop you? Get in here. Alright. Oh, see you guys next video. Which, if you want it to be Adopt Me, it will be Adopt Me. If you don't want it to be, and maybe you want it to be VR, I might make it VR. Oh, that's cool. What? Are you eating my arm? And he's Sparkle now. Yeah, so they level up really fast. But, tricks. Dance. Oh, wow. I want you to lay down. Yeah, he's a good boy. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Cause remember, 300 subscribers, I will give away my full-grown Fly It Ride Panda. Yeah. See you guys next time.